Tired of launching a store only to discover payments don't work? Learn how to test payments safely in Hostinger without charging real money. We'll navigate to your store settings, enable test mode, and place a dummy order using a specific email. Here's how. Start by opening your site in the Hostinger website builder. You should be on the main editing screen where you can see your entire storefront laid out in front of you. This is where all the magic happens. Now look up at the top bar. You'll see a shopping cart icon. Click on that. It's your gateway to everything related to your store's functionality. From the cart menu that pops up, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you control how your store behaves, from shipping options to the checkout experience. In the Settings panel on the left, find and click on Payments. This is the section that handles all the money stuff, both real and test transactions. Here you'll see a few different payment options. Look for the one that says Test Payment Method. Click on it to enable it. This is your safe sandbox for running dummy orders without touching your real payment processor. A highlight or notification will appear on screen. Click on that to proceed. It's really just confirming that you want to switch test mode on. Now here's the really important part. A test order can only be completed using the email that's set in your company information. So before you go any further, make sure you know which email that is. You'll need to use it when you place your dummy order. Alright, so test mode is now active. But pay attention to this warning. Test payment method is visible to all customers. That means anyone browsing your live store could see it and potentially place an order that doesn't actually charge them. So you absolutely want to turn this off before you go live. We'll do that in just a minute. Now go to your actual storefront, not the builder, but the live version of your site. Add a product to your cart and start the checkout process. When you get to the payment step, choose the test payment option. Then, for the checkout email, use that company email we talked about earlier. Complete the order just like a real customer would. Hop back into your dashboard and navigate to your orders section. You should see the test order you just placed sitting there. This confirms that your entire payment flow is working correctly, from the customer clicking buy all the way through to you receiving the order notification. Finally, go back to that payment settings area and disable test payment. Flip that switch off. This secures your store so that only real payments can go through. You've verified everything works. Now it's safe to let customers in. And that's it. You've tested your Hostinger store's payment system thoroughly without risking a single real dollar. Now you can launch with confidence knowing your checkout is solid.